Team Zeus was good. Yo, we back. Yo, I'm not going to waste too much time. You already know what it is. I clicked on the thumbnail. Or y'all saw the thumbnail. I clicked on the video, man. We went E85, man. I'm running my regular tune. Like, I haven't tuned it at all. I'm running E85 using the Eflex Pro kit. It gives you the ability, if you guys don't know that, it gives you the ability to pretty much switch back and forth between 93 and E85 at will. You definitely get some gains on the E85 gas, but you can also mix it with 93, just for, obviously just so the car can kind of like self-regulate or whatever. The good thing with this ethanol reader that comes with the kit is that the computer will automatically adjust what's in the car, so you don't have to tune it, untune it, tune it. You don't have to keep tuning it for it to run a specific gas, which is awesome. 93 pump gas is giving me about 10% ethanol, which should be normal in most states. If not, y'all might want to get that checked out, because they robbing y'all if it's anything below 10%. E85 gives you anywhere between, I think it's about 51% to like about 70-something%. Right now, my car with my reader that's on here is running about 66% ethanol. So the combustion rate definitely is up there. It's burning more. And you already know them pops. The pops is so much louder. The only thing that I kind of don't like about it, which I understand why, because it's burning so quick, is that when I let off on the gas and I decel, my car doesn't burble as much. Again, remember, I don't have a burble tune on the car, but because of the long tubes, the catless, and like the cam, I guess, I don't know, and my airflow, my car pops so much on the decel, and even when I'm like tapping the gas. But with E85, it doesn't really do that as much. But when I force it with the flame kit and everything, it definitely does make it louder. And I get all the fun with it. So honestly, I would say money well spent. It's been a great experience so far. I've been running E85 now for about a week and some change now. I wanted to just kind of let it settle in first before I kind of gave y'all a review on it. For those who might be interested in going E85, especially with these gas prices right now, man, let me tell you something. I went E85 just in time. I got back from a trip. Gas was like $4.50 for premium. Right now, it's almost close to $5. Regular unleaded 87 is probably like close to $4 now, if it ain't already $4. So it's like E85, I'm only spending $3.20. So, I mean, you do the math. E85 might burn more, but I'm definitely saving a little bit more on my gas in my pocket. So, but yeah, y'all stay tuned. Oh yeah, one other thing. That Eflex Pro E85 kit I just mentioned. I did it myself. I've run into no issues so far, knock on wood, but it is working phenomenally. It's plug and play. It's really simple. I say that because if I can do it, you can too. YouTube University, man, I'm telling you. There's a bunch of videos out there on YouTube. I kind of just looked at it, mimicked it step by step, and was able to kind of just figure it out. And it was simple. It took me maybe an hour and a half. If I actually kind of like was more confident, probably could have got it done a lot sooner. But I wanted to make sure I took my time and make sure I didn't miss a step, because when you're messing around with fuel, you're messing around with components that take electricity, you messing with your fuel injectors, there's a chance your car can misfire. And you know what I'm saying, with fuel and everything, making sure if there's fuel in your system, that's a bad day. So you want to make sure, like, before you start, your tank is like close to empty, if not empty. But yeah, I just want to let y'all know that real quick. Gotta give y'all a walk around of the car. I know y'all ain't seen it in a while. You know, y'all know I always do this in my videos, man. We got to. I'm saying, show your car off to the world. Gotta appreciate what you drive, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, by the way, I did wrap my brake calipers blue reflective. Did it myself too. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, if I can do it, you can do it. Real simple. It took me maybe an hour, hour and a half. It just takes patience and confidence when you're doing certain things, man. And I like to save money. So, and obviously, you know, it's not perfect. I don't expect it to be perfect because I'm doing it myself, but I'd rather save the money up front than spend the money later and then be disappointed when somebody didn't do it the way how I envisioned it. So, and I can always spend the money to go do it professionally if I'm not confident, but also, you know, if I'm not satisfied with the work that I did. So, but yeah, Zeus still looking good, running healthy, sounding healthy. I seen on my last video I had the badge installed. Shout out Belsky Motorsport, you know what I mean? Got me right. But yeah. Yeah, see, we a little over half, not too bad. But I am gonna go to the gas station. Cause I don't know. I like to keep gas in my car. I think I mentioned that before in one of my videos. It's just a preference of mine, you know what I mean? You never know when you might need to go somewhere that might require a trip. So it's good to keep your gas close to full, if not full. So, but I mean, yeah, man, ain't nothing too crazy going on. I mean, the weather is getting nicer out. I can't complain, man. We getting ready for the summer. You know what I mean? We getting right for the summer. The only other major modification I really want to do on the car is want to do a 426 stroker kit. That in its own, like, right, is probably gonna be one of the last major upgrades I do to Zeus, that y'all know of. And then I'll add some more stuff and, you know, some more goodies to it. But please be patient with me, y'all. Like, I know y'all know, if y'all, you know, y'all into cars like I am, I know y'all know just as much as I do. This is not cheap, man. Like, if I had it like that, I would have been did it all. They could have kept my car for 3 months straight and I would have did it all right there, man. But this stuff takes time. But I think it's a good thing that it takes time, because you learn to appreciate it a little bit more over time when you do things in steps and processes and stuff. So you got to have fun with what you do too. You know what I'm saying? You can't just have it all right then and there. You got to take your time, enjoy it, and trust the process. Oh yeah, I did order a new steering wheel too. I ordered an SRT steering wheel. They haven't sent me an email back saying, like, you know what I'm saying, what it's gonna look like, but I have my own little twist to it. I hope y'all like it. But yeah, it should be here any day now. They said it was gonna take probably about 5 or 6 weeks, and we are on week 6. They might need an extra week just to kind of like get the details ironed out and everything, but other than that, it should be here any day now. So I can't wait to see that and show y'all. So yeah, man, just all the exterior stuff, interior stuff, as far as like the engine work, most of it's already done. So I just want to start working on like the interior of my car and just kind of like make it more, you know what I'm saying, eye-catching, more appealing, if that makes sense. So, but yeah, E85 makes the car run so much smoother too. Like, because the engine is working a little bit harder and that gas is burning quicker, it's constantly just like, I don't know, like my throttle response on this thing is just like so much. It's obviously more responsive, but it's it feels smooth. Like, it's like butter, man. Like, it's great. Like, it don't feel as like clunky and groggy as 93. And it's not to say that 93 had that feeling, but once you put E85 gas in the car, you start to realize how much poorer 93 actually is. And it's a good grade of gas, you know what I mean? It's not that it's bad, it's just E85 is just a better grade of gas, because it's, you know, it's that natural corn gas, you know what I mean? You feel me? So yeah. Try to give y'all some downshifts right here. Yeah, I know I'm always downshifting. I got to. Hold on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I'm gonna pick y'all right back up as soon as we get to the gas station. Yep, we done pulled up to Zeus's favorite spot. The gas station, man. Y'all already know. I'm glad nobody actually at the pump. Take this now before somebody take it. Brakes be squeaking for no reason, bro. Y'all brand new. What are y'all talking about? Be trying to embarrass me. As soon as I pick up the camera, be trying to embarrass me. I don't own any rights to any music being played right now, but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all pretty much like that my car actually takes E85 now. I want y'all being in the comments like, oh, he never showed that it could take E85, he capping, he lying, blah blah blah. Nope, I'm not lying. Just watch this. And I'm gonna pop the hood. I'm gonna show y'all what I got done on it too. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, I can see I got that yellow pump in there, you know what I mean? I'm pumping E85, flex fuel. Yeah, man. I did take my engine covers off just cause I don't know, for whatever reason, I could have just been, it could have just been like adjusting the reading and everything, but when I put the engine covers back on, I guess it was pinching the wires, and the wires didn't like that, the wire harness. So I got them on for now until I can figure out how to actually put them back on without it disturbing the sensors or whatever. But yeah, man, y'all can see I got the Eflexplus. I can't even talk. Got that in there, got it grounded right here. That's my headlights, my fault. The wire harness all in there, connected up to the fuel injector sensors, this side and that side, making sure that the colors match, correlate. And then I got the ethanol reader right here, and then that fuel line is the stock fuel line, which is being replaced by the kit's fuel line, and it goes into there. I don't know if I'm missing anything, but that's pretty much it. It's all plug and play, man, for real. Like, it was really simple. And I have an app on here to show me like pretty much like my ethanol sensor, if it's working, and I also have my my percentages, and to make sure all my injectors are actually firing when they need to be firing. So if one or more of your injectors are not firing with this kit, do not drive the car. Just try to figure out what you wired up wrong. Try to figure out if it's something that's not being read, if you have a faulty kit or something. But do not drive it. The injector's basically not firing or whatnot. But yeah, $28.03 from half. I mean, I'll take that. That's better than $50. A lot of people have been telling me they've been costing them like $48, $50 just to fill up from half. Ridiculous, man. Oh, hold on, I gotta close that. But yeah, and I'm gonna show y'all that the car can start up. There you go. The car does start up just fine. As you can see, I have no lights, no check engine lights, no nothing. The injector activity is good. Everything's good. Everything's functioning the way it needs to. And, you know, obviously just to see I'm at 11.3. I got 203 miles. Now, I will say, yes, you are burning more, but if you know how to actually drive, like you got some sense on E85, honestly, it'll actually, your fuel miles per gallon average will actually go up. So I don't know, man. If y'all really want to go with this kit, I'd say go with it. Go for it. Like, I think it's worth it. It cost me like $700. Plug and play. I didn't have to spend any money on top of that. Honestly, worth the price. To be able to just pump 93 and E85 right into your gas tank without no issues, no worries. So, but yeah, man, that's really what I wanted to show y'all, man. Zeus is on E85, man, as y'all can see. I'm not joking. All right, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. Like I said, I just wanted to show y'all that Zeus is on E85. Wanted to give y'all a quick but honest review and assessment on pretty much the E85 flex fuel kit that I got. So yeah, I can hear Zeus chopping in the background. Still running healthy, still running smooth, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm glad that I was able to do this just in time, because like I said, these gas prices absolutely atrocious. So, but yeah, man. If anything, I feel like the chop probably got a little more choppier with the E85. And it cleaned it up a little bit. I don't know if that makes sense, but it sounds better to me. But yeah, as always, man, it's been King Zeus, man. I'm signing out. I love y'all. I hope y'all year has been treating y'all really, really well. If not, then I hope that it starts now. I love y'all like always. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Thank you for rocking with me. Shout out to all the people that's been rocking with me since day one and still continue to rock with me. And honestly, if you've been rocking with me and you kind of just fell off a little bit, that's cool. That's okay. I hope I can get you back on board. But no love lost, all the love gained. I appreciate y'all, man. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.